boys and girls. What are you doing? Hope everybody had a good Christmas. Had a nice day off, kind of chilled out a little bit. We didn't go see our grandbabies, which kind of sucked a little bit, but we got to watch them on what do you call that, Skype or whatever that thing is there, the Star Trek-y stuff where you watch people on video. It was pretty cool. So it was like we were there. And we went to Grandma B's, Lori's mom, Amy's mom's, for dinner. She made us a nice dinner, so it was kind of a nice day. Hope everybody had a good day and got lots of coal from Santa. So I'm just over here. We're getting going here Wednesday morning, getting some logs up out of the bottom. So anyway, there was not a lot of room in that cab for a big fire extinguisher. We had one on the floor in there behind the seat, but I thought, boy, if we ever need to get out quick, that ain't going to be where I want to do it, because that is a long climb. So what I'm going to do, I salvaged this out of the burnt Timco. I just grabbed it the other day and threw some paint on it, bracket. So I think I'm going to mount that here, so it's easy to get at. That's what I think I'm going to do. So anyway, I'll do that, and I'll get you a look who showed up. Santa's elf over there. How was your Christmas? Good? Good. Say hi to everybody on YouTube.
Hey.
That's Mr. Trip. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. Okay. Probably not gonna be able to see too good because my big fat butt will be in the way, but what I'm doing, I'm just gonna mount this here. I think. Huh? No, it's in. There's a box in there full of wrenches. One of them gray ammo totes full of wrenches. So anyway, I'm a little concerned with this adjustment thread here when I spin it around. I think it might. I don't know. We'll see. It might hit that door. If it is, I'll just have to trim it off. I don't think it's gonna. Awesome. See if it spins around. Awesome. Nice, okay. Well, we're good. So I'm going to drill another hole right here. Got my handy dandy Milwaukee Drill-O-Matic here. Let's see. Okay. Let's put our other bolt through. Got the video working up here. Here, hold that open like that for a second. I feel much better with this mounted. I was telling the folks on YouTube that up in there behind the seat you couldn't even get at it and climb down fast enough.
Really?
Oh my, if there was ever a fire. Here, stick that through there, please. Yeah, I'm too fat and old to be.
1 second. I have this just orange semi on it.
Just hold it in with your thumb so I can start the nut.
Right there, good.
Look at that, huh? Almost looks like we know what we're doing, Chippy. everybody on YouTube knows better than that.
Probably.
It's them two chuckleheads, huh? I couldn't find any black paint, so we used rubberized undercoating on this. This one came out of the burnt machine bracket. Figured I might as well reuse it.
Yep.
I burnt the little rubbers off it. Alright, give me the other wrench.
Finch.
Yeah, actually, here, you ratchet it out there, and I'll hold it in here.
Which one do you want to do? That one?
Inside.
We're going the right way.
Go ahead. Okay, try it. Nope, wrong way, go the other way. Flip the wrench over. Look at you go. Boy, it's nice out, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is it, about 45 out here now?
Yeah, there was no snow on the ground during Christmas.
Oh well.
Mother Nature's.
That's alright.
My sister heard that they're changing, like the weather
Good.
is gonna be changing from it like to being down by the south up north, and then like the north is gonna be changing to be like the south.
Nah.
Her,
It's just a jet stream.
her teacher told her that.
Yeah, well, they're nuts.
Yeah.
That's all big hoax. It's just weather patterns changing. There's some good science that explains that, and it's not what you hear in the news because they're a bunch of wackos. There's always been climate change, and there always will be climate change. And we might have a little bit to do with it, but I don't think we have a whole lot to do with it. There's not much we can do about it if we did. Look at that, Trippy. Oh, that is nice. That is really, really nice. Huh? Look at that. She's all inspected. She's fully charged. That's something you guys always want to remember with these things. Just make sure you check them. They got a green charge thing, and have them checked. And this guy who does mine is all certified. He's good. But so we all really see. He just recharged this. This one was one of the ones that probably got emptied during the fire. I don't know, he just recharged it, serviced it in December, so it's freshly done. Something else, you know, I was told. I had a skidder burn up on me years ago. No, it wasn't totaled. I fixed it. But these things from riding on equipment, especially track machines, they'll vibrate and the powder can pack in them. So I only believe this because I had this happen. I had an extinguisher on that skidder, and I pulled the plug on it and hit it, and it let off a big CO2 charge, and no powder came out. Very little. It didn't put the fire out. I lost the machine because of it. This was years and years. This was 30 years ago. But anyway, the guy told me, he said, whenever these are on a machine for any amount of time, before you pull your ring and discharge them, flip them upside down and tap them. Bang, 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 bang. Shake them a little bit. Just knock them. So if there's any powder packed, it will fall. You know, it's got a drying agent and it's not supposed to pack, but it still can and does. And I know this because I had it happen. So he said, flip them upside down, beat them a couple times. You know, shake them, and then like bang them up against something hard so it'll knock the powder loose. Make sure the powder's loose, and then flip it upside down and use it. Might just save your machine. So. Alright, there she be. So, we'll make some more videos later. Say ta-ta there, Mr. Trippo.
Ta-ta.